like and subscribe. Hey guys, we're currently here at Park Mall and we are having Cebu Content Creators Convention at the Hub Fest or Hobby Festival 2017. Before I'll be going to the venue, manghihis ako. Where is the CR? And I need coffee. Yeah. CR. And I finally found CR. It's over there. Yun, manakong pangihi. Messy hair, instant fix. So manakong pangihi and my hair is already fixed at tunata sa convention. So guys, obviously late ko kay pagabot ako dili kay nanay kasugod si Rhea. So karon bulingkod na ko sa audience section and marota. Tara ko lang guys.
Right now, just come away and talk.
Look who's beside me.
Kanang mo rin mag-enhance sa mga tao ni mo. And then,
Followers on Facebook, 70,000 subscribers. Jomi Hospital, come on.
What's up guys? This is Jomi Hospital. That's Jomie. Diba tawag ko baan kayo ko ha? Because thank you so much. Charot.
Jomi Hospital.
Kalamisang Bastos Managas.
Hi Cupcakes! Hi Cupcakes! Mga fans na nasa ano?
Hi po mga ka-DDS. Alem.
Alem!
Hi Alem. Oo nga ni Alem. May busy kasi yung guest.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Everyone.
Oh my god, favorite part sa atong vlog guys, ang kaon.
salamat kay ha. Salamat kay sa pag-cancel.
Hey guys, so that ends our convention and don't forget to hit like and subscribe and see you in the next.
Subscribe.